3, 2, 1.
What was used to tell time before clocks were invented? The answer is A. Sundials. Which band released Back in Black? The answer is A. AC/DC. What is the mountain in Switzerland with the Matterhorn? The answer is A. Jungfrau. Which structure was originally known as the $1 Million Bridge? The answer is B. Brooklyn Bridge. The city of Koblenz is situated where the Rhine meets which river? The answer is C. The Moselle. What Edgar Allan Poe poem are the following lines from? The answer is A. Ulalume. Who wrote and performed the 2005 song Bad Day? The answer is A. Daniel Powter. On what game show did contestants receive unwanted joke prizes, called zonks? The answer is A. Let's Make It Deal. What is the unit of length in C system? The answer is C. Meter. What is the name of the ever-popular musical that features songs such as Little Girls and You Won't Be an Orphan for Long? The answer is A. Annie. Which author wrote 1984? The answer is A. George Orwell. Built on rocks, yet the wise man will never rest his head here. What is it? The answer is C. Graveyard. Which of these groups was forced to leave when Saladin captured Bethlehem? The answer is A. The Latin clerics. What class of animal, including hydras and jellies, is considered the simplest to contain a nervous system? The answer is A. Cnidarians. Death Valley's Badwater Basin is North America's point of lowest elevation at how many feet below sea level? The answer is C. 282 feet. In which board game do players try to build railroads across the United States? The answer is B. Monopoly. The Ottoman Empire used to rule over North Africa, the Middle East, and southeastern Europe. Which modern-day country is the successor of the empire? The answer is A. Turkey. Which continent has the smallest population? The answer is A. Antarctica. What type of bread is made with unleavened dough and often served with hummus? The answer is A. Pita. What is the name of the resident on Scrubs whom Dr. Cox calls the nervous guy? The answer is C. Doug Murphy. What is the name of the dystopian television series set in the year 2163? The answer is B. Westworld. Who was the first president to travel abroad while in office? The answer is D. William McKinley. What vegetable is long, green, and often found pickled in a jar? The answer is A. Cucumber. Which celestial body has rings? The answer is C. Saturn. Brian Hagelin won a 1997 Razzie and a 1997 Oscar for different movies. In which category did he win? The answer is C. Best/Worst Screenplay. A screw will increase in temperature when set in the sun's path. Why? The answer is C. Conduction. Which of these living creatures appeared on Earth first? The answer is B. Fish. When referring to genes, what term describes the property of having multiple phenotypic effects? The answer is C. Pleiotrophy. What is a soccer ball called? The answer is D. Soccer ball. Which constellation contains Polaris, the North Star? The answer is B. Ursa Minor. If you add 3 to 5, what would be the result? The answer is C. 8. Smog is one example of what type of pollution? The answer is C. Air. Which Shakespeare play is about a tempest at sea? The answer is C. The Tempest. Symptoms of viral disease results from what kind of response to a virus? The answer is A. Immune. What does Gilmore Girls character Lorelai write at the Cheshire Cat's guest book while checking out? The answer is C. Satanic forces are at work here. What is cynophobia the fear of? The answer is C. Dogs. From which Shakespearean comedy do the lines "and thereby hangs a tale and all the world's a stage" come? The answer is C. As You Like It. What instrument produces the sound in an electric guitar? The answer is A. Speaker. This famous actress uttered the words, "If I play a stupid girl and ask a stupid question, I've got to follow it through. What am I supposed to do? Look intelligent." The answer is A. Marilyn Monroe. Which game features a group of friends traveling through a procedurally generated world fighting creatures and solving puzzles? The answer is A. Minecraft. What is the smallest circuit element? The answer is D. Diode. What can never be stolen but is often taken away when a work of art is sold? The answer is B. Owner's name. What is the only country that spans 2 continents? The answer is A. Turkey. What word means either cheerful and optimistic or having good digestion? The answer is A. Eupeptic. What is the term for a collection of related websites under one domain? The answer is C. Portal. What is the participle in the following sentence? Jane noticed her father walking along the shoreline. The answer is C. Walking. What is the atomic number of neon? The answer is B. 10. What is the double membrane structure that constitutes the outermost portion of the nucleus? The answer is B. Nuclear envelope. What is a measure of the average amount of energy of motion or kinetic energy a system contains called? The answer is D. Temperature. What is the title of Albert Camus's existentialist novel?